All the time. Yeah, yeah.
I'll catch you right now, bro.
Yeah, yeah. Jesus is the king. Jesus is the king. Jesus is the king. Yeah. Yes, ni ukuvuga ngo rero abantu bo guturuka mu Rwanda ubu ngubu nibere muri Cameroon. Sumani nkaba ninjiye mu Kinyarwanda direct. Nkaba ninjiye mu Kinyarwanda. Direct. Ni ukuvuga ngo rero abantu guturuka mu Rwanda nindi kubabwira ngo ubu nibwo tubakeneye kurusha uko twari tubakeneye mbere. Okay? Yeah. Uh-huh. Yeah, I'm free better. Mm-hmm.
So what countries are you looking like to see next?
America.
America.
And I believe I will go there.
Yeah.
In Jesus' name.
Amen.
Jesus' name, I will be there for sure.
What, which part of America?
Huh?
Which part of America?
Proud,
Which part of America?
proud of America.
Which parts? Which states?
State. New York City. New York City. Then I want to go New York. In New York, I just and I want to see Miami. What are vibes of Miami?
Miami Beach.
It is Miami Beach.
Yes. Miami. There's Miami Beach.
I can imagine how Miami look like, man. I want to see that vibes of Miami, man. And I believe one day I will be go there in Jesus' name. Yeah.
What about the food? What are you looking forward to eating?
Yeah.
The food.
For food in America.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, I don't know food from America, man.
Yeah.
KFC.
They have KFC everywhere.
Yeah?
Yeah.
KFC.
KFC.
There's a food I call KFC.
Yeah. It's mainly chicken.
Yeah.
Oh.
Mainly chicken.
It is very delicious.
What do you mean?
It is nice.
Yeah, it's nice. I mean, there's a lot of, there's McDonald's, which is bad.
Yeah. Oh, I wish to be. I wish to be there, man. Noodles.
Noodles.
That's
Like
more
meat, milk.
Yeah. Ntabwo nziza.
Ni ububoro bashyiramo amata bakajya baburya bumeze nk'udushuka.
Cyangwa koko ntatwo nzi kabisa. Wallahi. So no kuvuga ngo abantu bo guturuka mu Rwanda rero learn back in Kinyarwanda, man, right?
Yeah.
Yes, people from Rwanda, reka nkomeze nongere mbabwire ngo Happy Liberation Day to all Rwandans. Kabisa Happy Liberation Day kandi nkomeza gushimira cyane by'umwihariko abantu badusupportinze from scratch up till now. Yes, you understand what I mean? So rero muri abantu badanje cyane, cyane tubafite ku mutima. Very soon rero ndagaruka mu Rwambyaye. Nkumbuye mu Rwanda wallahi. Nkumbuye mu Rwanda ariko soon nzagaruka.
Ni igice ukumbuye cyane. Ni igice ukumbuye mu Rwanda.
Nkumbuye kwirebera Kigali tu. Wallahi nkumbuye kwirebera Kigali.
Ngenda najyaga numva ngo iwanyu hararyoha. Ngahita numva yuko ari ibintu nyine biri aho ngaho ariko umwami iwanyu hararyoha pe.
Naye mu rugo ni mu rugo.
Urwa Gasabo.
Babwita urw'imisozi igihumbi bara.
So as far as Rwanda, am I saying it right? Rwanda.
Yeah.
What is like when we go? What is something you're looking forward to seeing?
In Rwanda,
Yeah.
just to go to visit Gorilla. Yeah, Gorilla.
City, is that a village? Which one is
Yeah,
it? Is it your village?
my village.
Yeah.
Oh, the name of my village.
Yes.
Yeah. So we have a different village, man. But me, I'm just come from in Kamashangi district. You got what I'm saying? So and no, say Kamashangi. Kamashangi sector, Gitwa village, and I'm just from Rusizi district. But I'm living in Kigali because of just for finding life. You know what I'm saying? So that's all.
What is there to do in Kagari? Is it Kagari? Am I saying it right?
Yeah.
Kagari.
Kigali is our city.
Okay.
Yeah. As you know, city of Rwanda is called Kigali.
Kagari.
Yeah. Rwanda is called the land of thousand hills. Yeah, land of thousand hills. And I wish you to be there in Kigali, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, you like it, man.
I believe it.
You like it, yeah. You be like it, man. Yeah.
Okay, kugira ngo ubwire abanyarwanda, turashimira abanyarwanda, turashimira n'umukuru wacu w'igihugu, we nyine ni ukuvuga ngo
Ntukajya umushimira ufite ingofero mu mutwe mwana.
Okay, ndamushimira.
Ugomba kujya uvuga umusaza wakuyemo ingofero.
Ndamushimira ko ibihugu byose turimo turageramo turasanga ewana aricyo batwakira.
Yakubuye inzira bro. Cyo bita gukubura
Uri
inzira.
kumva ahantu hose uri kumva uragenda ukajya barakubwira ati ewana perezida wanyu turamwemera turabishimira cyane kuba tugera mu gihugu icyo ari cyo cyose tugafatwa nyine nk'abantu bakomeye cyane. Turabishimira dushimira n'aba content creator bagomeje kudushyigikira ni iby'agaciro. Gusa icyo navuga cyo nicyo gihe cyo kugira ngo tuzamure u Rwanda dufatikanye nk'urubyiruko.
Ntago kuvuga ngo u Rwanda ubundi ntago ni ukuvuga ngo turi proud yo kwitwa abanyarwanda. Urede u Rwanda rwarazamutse ahubwo nicyo gihe kugira ngo tube proud yawe twumve ko turi u Rwanda. U Rwanda rutatu ni naho munsonze.
Ikindi cyo nashimira timu yanjye. Dufite timu y'abantu nyine abana bameze neza kabisa. Ndabashimira aho muri mwese, aho muri mwumve yuko nyine turabahagarariye turahari kandi man tugomba gukora ibintu birenze n'ibihambaye n'ibiki byose. Nicyo gihe cyo kugaragaza nicyo gihe cyo kugaragaza impano yawe man kandi turakwemera bamwita
n'umuvugo.
Ntabwo nibanga ariko nyine icyo gihe cyo kugira ngo nyine bya bindi twe twarahishe
tubigaragaze nicyo gihe
baravuga ngo iyo udafite inzara.
Gusa ariko mbere na byose turanashimira Uwiteka kuba turashimira abantu badufashije kuko bura nta muntu wigira. Ngiye kuvuga ngo nta muntu wamfashe naba ndi ndashima. Hari abanyamakuru bagiye bamfasha kugira ngo njye ku ma platform yabo, harimo ba Sabe, harimo ba Irene, harimo umuntu wese everybody uzi ko nagiye kuri platform yiwe ni umuntu wa danger cyane. Rwose turabashimiye cyane umuntu wese nyine wankize kuri platform yiwe. Mwese uri umuntu wa danger cyane rwose ndagushimiye. Shimira no Uwiteka bura kuba ndahangaha kuba kakanya ndimo ndaha muri Cameroon. So nkaba naratwuye twaravuye muri Ghana ndi gutembera ibigo nkaho ndi kujya muri Kigali. Wallahi Imana nyine ni nziza, Imana ni igitangaza. Ntago nabona uko nsobanura Imana irarenze mu bintu byose biba. Jewe buriya mu bintu byo nizera mu Mana kuko nzi ko Imana ari ikora ibintu byose. Even if byaba bimeze gute byaba bimeze nabi ariko mbanzi yuko Imana nyine bidufiteho umugambi muzima cyane. So
nicyo kintu cya mbere kirenze.
Bura ibintu byose wakora nta mpano ufite Imana itagukunda nyine ewa. Ari ubusa gusa. Jesus is the king always.
Bye bye. Bye bye.
You go and say. Damn. I'm so tired, man.
How you feeling, bro?
Say something.
Good. What could you say about today's experience?
Well, today's experience was kind of great. It's kind of great. Yeah. I never expected what happened today.
Really?
Yeah, I never expected. It was really crazy. It was really, really crazy. I didn't expect that. The energy was killing.
What do you think about Ashton and like everything he's trying to do as far as pushing positivity?
Yeah, he did great.
What inspired you to keep going every day?
Well, when you have a vision, when you have a plan, when you have vision on something, you're gonna keep going, no matter how hard it is. You're gonna keep going.
And what's your vision?
My vision is bodybuilding. Yeah, to be great in life.
It's amazing.
Yeah,
What steps
and
are
to
you
inspire others as well.
taking? As you should.
Yeah.
It's amazing.
To
And
inspire.
What steps are you taking to get there?
Well, yeah, I'm putting in more work. Yeah, I'm putting in more work, more energy to get there. The journey is not easy, but we can make it happen. We just have to keep showing up every single day.
what's next as far as for today? What do you think is going on next?
Well, anything that pop up, we're gonna do it. Yeah.
Born and raised in Cameroon.
Yeah.
What city?
Yeah. I'm born here.
Yeah.
I'm born and raised here.
You wanna walk into?
Okay.
Obviously, there's a lot of different countries in Africa. Cameroon being one of them. What makes Cameroon different from other countries?
Well, because here in Cameroon, I think we have different cultures, different traditions, different people. So that's just it. That's just what's making Cameroon different. Yeah.
What is unique about the city? What can you tell when somebody who hasn't been here before? What is something you would advise them to do as far as coming to here?
Again?
For somebody like me this is my first time coming here, what would you tell act as a tour guide would be for somebody who's coming to Cameroon?
Okay, like someone who's coming to Cameroon for a tour.
Yeah.
Okay. 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 For someone who's coming here for a tour, well, you have to know that coming here is a great place. Cameroon is a great country where you're gonna witness a lot. You're gonna witness a lot due to good tradition, the cultures, everything here in Cameroon is amazing. It's amazing. Cameroon is a good place to be. It's a good place to work, to visit. Yeah.
Talk about the tradition. What kind of traditions are you guys do?
My tradition? Well, my tradition is they call it salt tradition. Yeah, salt tradition.
What do you guys do as far as other traditions? You said salt.
What?
Sorry. As far as your traditions, what do you guys do? You said salt. What was the name of the tradition?
Salt tradition. Yeah.
Salt.
Salt.
Yeah, let's talk more about it. We want to know. We want the people in chat to know more about Cameroon because I know people are excited to visit the country. So, just to tell the chat what is something that they should do, like something they should experience as if they come in.
Well, what I can say is from what really happened today, you guys can see that Cameroon is really great. Cameroon is a great country. Everyone here is welcoming, loving. Yeah. Everyone here is welcoming, loving, friendly. To everyone.
How's the food?
My food?
Yeah.
Yeah. Again?
Food. Like, your favorite food?
Well, me, I'm a bodybuilder, so my favorite food is rice and chicken.
That's all you eat?
Rice and chicken.
Every day?
Every day. Rice and chicken. Yeah.
Nothing outside of that?
That's my best meal.
Yeah.
It's hot meal, but good.
How do you prepare it? Tell the chat how you prepare your meals every day.
Okay. Like I should list my meals. Okay, what I eat the first meal for the day, like on my breakfast, I have some oats, some bananas, and some